3 months after a deadly mass shooting on one of Philadelphia's busiest streets, the men accused of being involved appeared in court. Good evening. It's 5 o'clock. I'm Jason Martinez, and it was an emotional day in court. Kelly, you spent the day in the courtroom today. What can you tell us?
Well, Jason, attorneys arguing for Nasir Jackson and Namir Jones said that the court should hold third, not first-degree murder charges because both men had no motive and just fired in the direction where the danger was coming from. They also argued against any conspiracy, but the prosecution argued that you cannot shoot a gun on a packed street and claim that you did not mean to kill anybody.
I know she's probably smiling down on me because I just want justice for her.
Mom Tina Quinn left the CJC hopeful for justice, even though it won't bring her 22-year-old daughter back. A judge held first-degree murder charges against 18-year-old Namir Jones, accused of shooting and killing her daughter Alexis Quinn, and against 18-year-old Nasir Jackson, accused of shooting and killing another innocent bystander, Christopher Minners. Both victims among the 3 killed and 11 others wounded on June 4th on South Street.
The amount of shots fired, the positioning of the shots, the fact that these 2 individuals were firing in a crowded street. It's just sad if you're a parent, like watching that. It's just awful.
During the preliminary hearing, the prosecution showed a compilation of surveillance videos that showed the timeline of the shootings, which started with a fistfight between 3 men that escalated to gunfire. They argue George Jackson shot at a man who returned fire in self-defense and won't be charged. Jackson died from his injuries. Rashawn Vereen, accused of starting that initial fight, will be in court later this month. The prosecution argues seconds after, 18-year-old Karan Garner shot towards that group and was then shot in the hand by an officer responding to the gunfire. Garner is facing aggravated assault charges for the shots fired, but today a judge dismissed charges of aggravated assault against law enforcement. And at that same time, further down South Street, the prosecution says video shows Jones and Jackson fired their guns in response to the initial gunfire, striking and killing Quinn and Minners in the flood of people trying to run away. Jones and Jackson's attorneys argued since they had no intent to kill, they should not be charged with first-degree murder.
What he did was reckless. He turned around and he shot down the block.
It's clear that he was sort of firing in the midst of the chaos and confusion with no real target in mind.
I don't sleep at night. I'm trying to hold it together now, but my pain is unbearable.
Now, the prosecution did bring in 5 different witnesses today. Chief of Homicide Joanne Pescatore said that first-degree murder charge, keeping that will be an uphill battle, but at this level, they feel it's the right move. Jason?
Kelly Rule for us in Center City. Thank you, Kelly.